It's Joey from Dad Simply Cooking, and today I'm going to show you Santa's favorite cookie. That's right, Santa's favorite cookie. Simple, easy, delicious. Everybody's going to be raving and wanting more.
Coming down the chimney, ho, ho, with a grin. Smells my Christmas cookies and he dives right in. Chocolate chips flying, frosting on his beard. Dad simply cooking Christmas, best time of the year.
It's going to be simple ingredients, simple recipe today. We're going to need 3 cups of flour, a cup and a half of brown sugar, a cup of red and green M&Ms, teaspoon and a half of baking soda, a cup of chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You're also going to need 2 sticks of butter for 1 cup. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the dry ingredients first, and then move into our wet ingredients, plain and simple. So in a big bowl, got my 3 cups of flour I'm going to pour in, and then my baking soda. Get a whisk and just incorporate all that in together. Grab my brown sugar. You get your flour and everything incorporated how you think it's good with the brown sugar and everything. You think everything's good and incorporated. Get your butter, get it melted down. Alright, so once your butter's out the microwave, you're gonna just pour that butter right on in. Start whisking it on in. I'm going to grab my 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Dump it on in also. Now I'm going to switch before I even get started my whisk. And these are called Santa's favorite cookies. Probably because they're Santa's favorite cookies. I don't know why you name it that and then not be true. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to incorporate 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of Santa's favorite colors, red and green M&Ms. And then I got a bar of white chocolate for baking, because I didn't have any baking chocolate chips. But it'll be fine. We're just going to cut it up and mix it in too. So we got our chocolate chips, our chocolate chunks. And then I'm just going to start mixing it in with my hands. And I forgot the eggs. I was like, why is it not liquid enough? So what we're going to do, I'm going to crack my eggs into a different bowl. It's fine. Just going to whisk them on up. Pour your eggs on in there. Go ahead and preheat that oven to 350 degrees and get ready to hear Santa's sleigh bells. Because he's going to know you're making his favorite cookies. I'm going to scoop some cookie dough out. Roll it into a ball. I'll put the first batch in the oven. Second batch ready to go. We're gonna make some big cookies with these last ones. All right, y'all, so Santa's favorite cookies, they are in the oven right now. We're gonna make some big monster ones. All right, y'all, Santa's favorite cookie. Look how beautiful they are. Well, I see why they're his favorite. These cookies are definitely on the nice list, 100%. And I got the bottom perfectly cooked. The top, I kind of undercooked them a little bit because I love that ooey gooey cookie. Oh. And that's what we got. You got the M&Ms, the delicious everything. That is absolutely fantastic. If you want to make these big cookies, let me show you. I made some giant ones. These things are like the size of my head. Look at these giant cookies we made. Look at those. Y'all, these are the first of many cookie videos coming your way. I hope you're ready. I hope your pants are like my pants and they're ready. My neighbors are going to hate me after this Christmas. I'm going to link the recipe below. It's simple, it's easy. You can double it, you can triple it, however you want to do it. It's delicious though. I'm warning you now. These are going to go to work with me tomorrow, so they're gone. So y'all, I love you. Let me know what your favorite cookie is, what your favorite Christmas cookie is, what kind of cookie you would like to see in this Christmas cookie triathlon, whatever we're calling it. We're figuring it out. Get ready. Undo them belts after Turkey Day. We'll strap them back in January. Catch you in the next one. I love you. Peace.